All right, y'all. Honey powder. Many of you probably have heard of it. Many of you probably have not. But let's go ahead and smoke some honey powder. We're going to take a cup of honey powder, put it on a baking sheet. I got wax paper right here. I'm going to just lay it on top. And I'm going to take it and just spread it out. I want to spread it out real good, real evenly. We're going to shake this up in the middle of the cooking process, but you do want to spread it out as much as you can so we can make sure that every inch, nook and cranny of this gets some smoke on it. And that's it. That's it. You just want to make sure you want to spread it out. No water, no nothing. Don't add nothing to it. Just spread it out. All right, I'm only using one chimney full of wood. I have apple and maple and a little bit of peach. No charcoal, no nothing. Just straight wood. Burn it down and you'll be good. All right, as you can see, we got a little flare up, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and stick my rack in there. That's what I'm going to actually put the pans on top of. And we'll go ahead and put the lid on, start to pull back on the dampers just a smidget on both sides, because again, all we want is the smoke. Stay tuned. All right, we're gonna look to stay right around 200. No, we're somewhere in between 150 and 200. Again, we're not trying to cook it. We're just really trying to add the smoke from that wood to this honey powder and this kosher salt. So that's it. An hour in the smoke, and we'll see what we got. Yeah, boy. All right, we just added our 2 packs, honey powder, kosher salt. We're gonna close the lid and just let it smoke. We're gonna probably let it go for probably about an hour. Stay tuned. All right, I burned my wood down, but this is what I'm looking at right now. That's fine. You're gonna totally see this when you first start off. After about 20 minutes, it should dissipate. You should just see clear blue smoke coming out of there because I didn't add that much wood to it in the first place. All right, I still have one vent cracked, and I opened up my other vent, and I'm still running at about 195, 200. My smoke has dissipated a little bit. All right, we're starting to get clear heat coming from the stack. You see a little bit of smoke, clear heat. That's what we're looking for. All right, it's been an hour. Let's see what we got. That's our honey powder. You can visibly see that the color has changed dramatically. On that, it's darkened up a little bit. And that's our salt. You can see over there in the corner that it's really starting to take on a little bit of color. So all I'm gonna do is come in here and move it around. Same thing with the honey powder. Come in here and move it around. And then I'm gonna drop another piece of wood in there, and I'm gonna let it go for probably another 30 minutes to an hour. All right, we are done. That's our honey powder, and that's our salt. Like I said, you can clearly see that the color has changed on it. And that's our honey powder. And that's it, folks. Let me take them off, and we'll go on. I'll taste them and see what it tastes like. All right, guys, I hope you guys learned something today, man. Honey powder, a secret weapon in a lot of rubs and spices that you probably buy right now. But I'm telling you, if it will add amazing flavor to anything that you're cooking if you take the time and go ahead and smoke it. Add a little bit of smoke to it. Man, you can rim glasses of drinks with this. You can put it in sweets. You can put it in savory dishes. You can mix it with, mix your own rubs. If you're into mixing your own rubs, honey powder is a good substitute for sugar, or you can add cane sugar to it. But let me tell you, when you put some smoke on it, it takes the flavor to another notch unknown. And same thing with smoked sea salt, smoked salt, smoked kosher. This is kosher salt actually, but you can do the same thing with sea salt. The key to it is to keep the temperature real low, no more than maybe 175, 200. Because again, you're not trying to cook it, you're just trying to get the essence of the smoke. But let me tell you something. You're talking about add some flavor to food and drinks as well. You can mix the two together. This and honey powder, you can rim a good glass, margaritas, anything, you know, you name it. You could rim a glass with some salt and some honey powder and come out with some fantastic flavor. So again, man, this is Eric from the Roll and Grill Barbecue, and I hope you guys learned something. Just a simple trick that you can use to elevate your food, elevate your barbecue, elevate your grilling. Because again, that's what it's all about. So as always, good food, good vibes, and I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, boy! Don't forget to take them, put them in some airtight storage bags, and when you need them, you got them. Yeah, boy.